Tired of pests invading your garden or buzzing around your kitchen? Here's a natural organic fix that actually works. No chemicals, no fuss. Sugar, vinegar, water. Just mix equal parts. Pour into small containers like yogurt cups, bottle caps, or even seashells, my favorite, and place them around your garden beds or sunny windows. This sweet trap attracts mosquitoes, fruit flies, gnats, and more, drawing them in without harming your plants or your pets. When it's full, just toss it or flush it. Clean, safe, and toxic-free. Natural pest control that actually works. And your home stays blissfully bug-free. Follow for more smart, sustainable home hacks. Thanks for watching.